Hello you beautiful lot, it's Purple and I'm back down Wellingborough Lakes because, well, I've had a little bit more information. So I'd like to say thank you very much to the gentleman that I spoke to the other day. Kind of enlightened me on exactly what's going on with the fence. Now it does turn out that, okay, the stuff I put in the video is pretty good. I missed out one factor because I did not know about it. And this gentleman tells me that this fence is actually put in wrongly and it's on that side of the path, when really it should be on the inside of the path, right? So I said, well, what do you mean it's on the wrong side? So there's a Nene way, this is a real important walkway for Northamptonshire. And he says, well no, the footpath's going to be left open. But like I said, the fence is on the wrong side. So, well, how does that make sense? And why aren't there kissing gates on the actual gates? He said, because you're not going to be able to enter the lake area. And why can't we go enter the lake area? Because Wellingborough is finally getting its nature reserve and finally linking up with what is going to happen, well, what you've got with Rushden Lakes and with what you've got Summer Lakes. So this whole Nene Way walk, the missing link of a nature reserve is basically this one in Wellingborough. So they're just about to make it a nature reserve, which does actually mean that Wellingborough Lakes Fishing Club will probably be no more. And it is sad, but I suppose you've still got the river. But these lakes, you won't be able to fish them. An actual nature reserve. Anyway, crazy, right? So thank you very much to the gentleman. We'll keep you anonymous, but thank you very much for giving me the facts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head all the way through the viaduct over to near where the jet ski place is, and I'm going to send the drone up for you. So don't forget to watch 1 minute of the video, then hit that like and subscribe button, and yeah, peace, love and light with a touch of Northants unity. I hope you enjoy the video.